Lakad lang kami. Every Sunday, sarado yung most of the shops dito. Kasi mga last days talagang family day nila. Pero that's prior lang kami. Dito na kami sa port. Downtown na kami.
Hindi, pinaka-barangay pa to. Isang diretso lang yan.
Ganda. Ito gyoza to, ubos agad. Ito beef fried rice. Dalawa in order na. Tig 7 isa. Ito tig 3. Ay, 7 ata. YouTube.
Where'd you go? To the food or to the center?
Hoy! Hoy, answer him! Wow! One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sushi. Let's see kung makakailan tayo ng sushi. Nag-sushi na ako kagabi. Sushi na naman ngayon.
Hadi.
Kay Agung.
Orang nambah ora?
Ora.
Ngomong gowo.
Aku mau meneng gua kan tuh.
What's this way?
Guyonan
Chicken.
lah. Mungkin kena. Kita di gong, seret gong.
White chicken. Yummy.
Good.
Dan putumaki.
Kuya belum buat lagi.
Ini pondasi dong. Temangan ini dari.
All done. Look at the food, guys. Saan kaya yung lutuan nila? Wala naman silang lutuan. Ano kaya? Puhol? Saan kaya sila magluluto dito? Ito guys, 10 out of 10. Lalo na yung sauce. You know, yung sauce niya. 10 out of 10. Uy, may gyoza na. Kukuha ako na ito mamayang garlic bread. Ito masarap din gyoza nila. Kaso, hindi ko siya parang kakain ako siya. Ito, masarap din to. Kasi parang balat-balat lang. Nuggets, sakto lang. Ayun, may onion rings na. Kukuha ako na. May hotdog din sila. Lumpia, hindi ko pa na-try. How's the lumpia? Medyo mahal lang dito guys. 18 euro per head. Buffet kasi siya. Pero masarap naman. Ito masarap oh. Halata ba? Look at this. Ano kaya ito? Garlic? Gumawa sila ng tubig eh.
Iya kan?
Ha? Coke lang kinuha ko. Pero parang iba yung color. Ito parang tubig lang lumabas. Yan, nagpo-play na sila.
Ayo kita kan Jakarta mumpet kampung apa nih?
tayo ngayon doon sa garage sale. Gumastos tayo. Ang gastos-gastos ko ngayon. Dapat hindi ako magastos eh. We also were discussing, this is like actual brand. It's like the real one, not the cheap one. It's official. Ito yung nabili ko, guys. May kasama na siyang ano. Right? Good, right? They also have chess here. It's there. Let's see, let's unbox. Soup! It's here na! We have coffee machine! We did it! This is our coffee pods. You see, this one, binili ni Supa for how many? How much?
$20.
$20. Ay, it's so pretty! This one's ano, where's the... what do you call this one? The paper that you will insert here. Yeah! Yeah, you will insert
There's a film. You have to put a film.
Yeah, the
there.
film.
Yeah, and so it's a, I'm gonna get it on deck 5. So
You do have?
yeah, they have. They sell it $10.
I thought it's free. But it's so pretty. Guys,
It is.
look. My God, dun ka muna coffee pads. Oh my gosh, look oh. For $20 only. Oh, ang ganda ng lagyanan. Wala nga lang ano. Ito lang. This one. Look, it's pink. Super happy. Now we're gonna buy coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee pads.
Yeah.
What brand
The
do you
milk?
want? Yeah, let's buy also. You have Amazon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna buy caramel and then Mia. Ano? We can just take from Pumas.
The milk?
The milk.
It doesn't use a special type of milk.
No. You just have to add it to your coffee. This one, you'll just put water in it. Yeah. So where we will place this one? My God.
Oh no, it's here, but we're gonna put it for it.
Where is it? Oh, it's here. Here.
Just put it right there, yeah. Right there.
Ding, 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 ding.
Wow.
Oh. Is it like this?
Wrong.
No.
What went wrong? Guys.
This one is 230. If 230, it's gonna trip off because
Ah.
yeah,
because
maybe you can do this one too. It have blood.
Huh?
It have blood. That's why. See?
My God.
Maybe take it to work so tomorrow we check it.
Ah.
You know, just
During
like
the
break-
first
break-
day, we're gonna send you Keurig to the doctor.
But we're gonna check it tomorrow anytime. I'll let you know. I can smoke.
I'm sorry.
Well, you guys can use this adapter. Then after we check this one, anytime we can let you guys know.